Hi everyone, this is Kelvin Nation. This time let me talk about the sound of C. Whenever there is C in a word, you have to give ka sound. For example, you cannot say cat, you have to say cat. You cannot say car, you have to say car. Camera, class, clear, close, conquest, confess, controversy, create, cream, credibility, chair, type, chamber, cannot, conquer, customer, cut, champagne, consecutive, coherent, coffee. Now let me elaborate more clearly. For example, whenever there is T in a word, you have to give a little bit sa sound. For example, you cannot say conquest, you have to say conquest. The same way it should not be pen, it should be pants. Not wallet, it should be wallets. Not right, it should be right. Not west, it should be west. Here in the same, when there is E and A are placed together in a word, you have to give the sound of vowels. All the vowels have their own sound. You cannot say great. Not only one sound, it should be create. Not great, you have to say create. Not major, it should be major. Not pleasure, you have to say pleasure. The same way is here. When there is CH, you have to give the sound of SH. You have to say champagne, not champagne. Here also, O has OU sound. You cannot say coffee. You have to say coffee, hotel, orange. Last but not the least, how we have to differentiate British and American English is whenever there is R in a words, in British, R is silent, and in American, you have to stress about the R. For example, if you're following British English, you have to say car, but in American English, it should be car. In British English, it should be clear. In American English, it should be cleared. In the British English, it should be chair. But in American English, it should be chair. In British English, it should be chamber. But in American English, it should be chambered. In British English, it should be conquer. But in American English, it should be conquered. So there is a difference between British and American English in the pronunciation of R. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please share and subscribe.